Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of tech. But today in this video I just want to show you how to fix this problem I face here on my iPhone device, which is about if I just want to search to any application just here on the App Store, and you can see I got this cannot connect to App Store. So if you just want to fix this, you have to connect your iPhone device with USB cable to PC. Then you have to download a tool. You can find out the link just here on my video description below. Go install and choose the Start Repair Instant mode, and you have to download the firmware of your iPhone device by clicking over here. And you can see it's now downloading the firmware of my iPhone device. I will have to wait a little bit time, then I just go to show you how to install it to iPhone device. Once your download has been done, you will get into next step. It's about how to get your iPhone device in DFU mode. So you can see this is my iPhone 6. I just want to get to DFU mode. I have to turn off it. So once I just turn off my iPhone device, I just have to keep press the power and middle button of my iPhone device at the same time. So let's go ahead to do this, and let's get our iPhone device in DFU mode. As you can see, my phone's in DFU mode. Now when I just back to tool, you can see it will continue up the installation of the firmware to my iPhone device, so we have to wait for it. So you can see the firmware has been installed to my iPhone device. When I back to my phone, it will just install by itself like this. You can disconnect your phone from USB cable too. So let me cut the video, and here we go. I got my iPhone device. So let's go ahead to check the App Store. When I just my Wi-Fi here on my phone, so when I just search for YouTube again, let me type YouTube, and you can see I got the application and I can install it to my iPhone device. So this is all about how to fix cannot connect to App Store problem in your iPhone devices. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.